Okay, hi guys. So next we'll be seeing types of electrolytes. Okay. Okay. So water is used as a solvent, and we'll be considering that generally water is used as solvent. Then first let's get started with strong electrolytes. So completely or almost completely ionized into ions are strong electrolytes. Ionized into ions. Example: strong acids, strong bases, dissolved salts in water. Okay. So examples of strong acids can be HCl, HNO3, HClO4. Examples of strong bases can be NaOH, then KOH. Okay. Examples of salts can be KNO3, NaCl, NH4Cl, NaNO3, etc. Okay. So now some examples that we have: HCl aqueous going to dissociate into H plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. Okay, so this would be breaking up into ions with Cc concentration. Okay, another example could be that 0.2 m HNO3 0.2 m HNO3 aqueous means HNO3 getting dissociated into HNO3 aqueous getting dissociated into H plus aqueous plus NO3 minus aqueous. Okay, so that would be 0.2 m. This 0.2 m would be getting dissociated into 0.2 m and 0.2 m. Okay, similarly let me write down the dissociation of strong acids or rather strong electrolytes. It would be KOH breaking into K plus OH minus. Similarly NaOH breaking into Na plus OH minus. NaCl breaking into Na plus Cl minus. Na2SO4 breaking into Na plus or rather 2Na plus and SO4 2 minus. Then we have AlCl3 aqueous again breaking up into Al plus 3 aqueous plus 3Cl minus aqueous. Okay, so next if we have something like this wherein we have a diprotic acid aqueous, then it would be getting break or dissociated into 2 AH plus aqueous plus A minus A2 minus aqueous. So the concentration of, let's say this was 0.1 m, then the concentration of this would be 0.2 m rather, and this would be 0.1 m. Okay, so let's do some questions on the same. So we have concentration of Al2SO4 whole thrice as 5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 m, and assume salt is 90% ionized. Okay, then find the concentration of Al plus 3 and SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus, yes. Al plus 3 is concentration and SO4 2 minus concentration. Okay, so let's get started. So you have Al2SO4 whole thrice getting dissociated into 2Al plus 3 and 3SO4 2 minus. So the concentration of this is 5 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Concentration of this would be 10 into 10 to 10 raised to power minus 5 and 15 into 10 raised to power minus 5 m. Okay, and this is actually 90% only ionized, so multiply it with 0.9. Okay, so what would be the concentration? So this would be the concentration of Al plus 3 and SO4 2 minus, and what would be the concentration of this? So what would be remaining? 0.1 would be remaining as 90% has dissociated. So this would be 0.1 into 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Okay, so this would be left. Okay, so let's see now weak electrolytes. Weak electrolytes are partially ionized into ions, okay, and example are weak acids and weak bases. Weak acids examples can be CS3, COOH, aqueous, HCOOH, and NH4OH. Okay, they don't ionize fully. Okay, so let's actually see the ionization of acetic acid, or rather CS3COOH. So it would be CS3CO minus aqueous plus H plus aqueous. Okay, so at equilibrium what would happen is we would have C minus X concentration of this. Initial concentration was C, and X concentration of both CS3CO minus and H plus. So degree of ionization, or alpha, can be said as X upon C. Okay, so with this we come to an end of this lecture. In the next lecture we'll be seeing some examples on the theory which we discussed in this lecture. Till then, good luck and goodbye.